I recently got to meet Zurab of DFS Systems. DFS Systems specializes in tiles, floors, and stones. I was given a tour of their warehouse and I got to learn about the different stones, their textures, and function. If you have a project coming up, make sure to give DFS a call. They'll help you from inception all the way to completion, and they're always ready to help.
Like hardwood floors, tile, and stone. And we also do the fabrication and installation of any of those lines. So the goal for us is to just keep everything in-house and make the transition between each line as seamless as possible. So if someone buys the hardwood floors through us, we make the transition into tile as seamless as possible. So they don't have to hire outside companies. Everything's in-house, and just simplifies it for builders that we work with.
Do you have like minimums? Can someone building a one family contact you, or do you only work with like developers doing big projects?
There's nothing too small or too large.
Okay.
We do handle single family, basic homes to single family, multi-million-dollar homes to buildings throughout Jersey City and the city.